Yeah, he's going for it. Oversized snag and a pull through. Good morning, campers. Let's actually wait and make sure he doesn't need to back up at all on this. I think he's got it. I'm like, yeah, he's totally got it. He doesn't need to back up, but he might still. Nope, he's good. Cool. Good morning, campers. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It is time for us to get rolling today. Alright, let's carefully not hit the trailer full of UPS Amazon returns. It's literally labeled that on the front of the trailer. It's a Premier leased trailer. A UPS driver came in and dropped it off a little while ago, so I'm not sure what the UPS driver's doing, but, you know, whole trailer full of Amazon returns there for you if you want it. Who knows, it might still be there by the time I upload this. Probably not, but you never know. It is time for us to leave this place. Gosh, yesterday, or last night, was a comedy of wonderful new problems with Mr. Maxwell here. Let's just swing out nice and wide, because he looks like he's setting up for a parking spot. Our APU is dying again. In the exact same way it died last time. So, yeah, it's not at the point where it's just shutting off every time I turn it on, but it's not taking very long to do so. Now, are you leaving or are you just setting up to go drop more fuel? You're leaving, okay. We're going to be swinging through Missoula very shortly, and then we're going to be spending a considerable amount of time in Missoula next month. Though we're probably going to go up there later this week to drop off my my chains. They want them off the truck. Yeah, we're going to continue on 270 and then 370 out to where 370 meets 70. Then we're just going to continue west on 70 across the entire state of Missouri. And we might route around Kansas City. There's a route I want to try. I need to double check and make sure it's a truck route first. There's a freeway link now that goes west from 435, the like bottom left corner of 435, and it goes west and meets up with I-70 a lot further west than 435 does. So it kind of lessens the mileage impact that that going around the city on 435 has. It's got 2 stoplights on it, so it's not great, but it's not really that bad. And it might save the company a little bit on tolls as well. Because then we'll only be on the Kansas Turnpike for a very short distance before Topeka. Kansas Highway 10 is what I'm thinking of. So we might, I'm going to look into that and see if that's a viable truck route. And we might give that a shot today. Welcome to Bridgeton, Missouri. Though I'm not sure if, I don't think Bridgeton continues on the other side of the bridge, but I assume it is named for this bridge. Because look at that railroad bridge to our left. That is a shockingly beautiful trestle. Like, that's incredible. You don't see bridges like that too often anymore. That's just such a really cool looking design. It looks so old. I wonder if that's getting replaced anytime soon. Hey. I mean, it has to be a pretty decent design or else it wouldn't still be standing, right? That was cool. That was very cool. We're on 370. Ray 70 is numbered like an interstate, but it is not an interstate. It was a state highway. It is a, basically, I guess at some point Missouri realized that there was quite a choke point on 270 at the 270-70 interchange. So they built this extra bit of freeway that goes west from 270 and then comes back south to meet 70 further outside of the St. Louis city limits. So it shifts enough traffic off of 270 to lessen the impacts on that interchange. This road, of course, is way less traffic because it is slightly longer than going straight to I-70 on 270. But I, of course, prefer lower traffic routes, even if they are a little bit longer. So we are, of course, on this road. I mean, just look at how much less traffic this is. This has decreased the amount. Yeah, you stop. This has decreased the amount of stress that St. Louis entails by like 50% for westbound trips. Probably eastbound trips as well, at least 70 to 70 trips. We often come into St. Louis on 64 or 44, so not always great bypassing options, but still, it's fine. people correcting my pronunciation of Salina, California may now understand that Kansas had it first. Well, actually, maybe they didn't. I don't know. But I learned how to pronounce the Kansas version of this city first. So that's the one I use. Ding. We're going to use the second entrance, go around and get fuel. And then we'll park, because I need fuel first. Because apparently fuel prices are going to jump up by like 5 cents a gallon tonight. According to according to Prime's fuel people. So, who knows how reliable that is? But yeah, holy cow, they've got a lot of reserve parking here now. When did that happen? Glad we got here when we did. We're not going to be able to get a spot any later. Jeez. I just saw what I thought was a really good spot. There's an empty flatbed trailer in it. Worst case scenario, we can go over to Pilot because they've got plenty of room. I feel like this place should have a way more parking than it does. It doesn't feel big enough to warrant this small amount of parking. Oh well. Anyway, I'm going to get fuel and I'm going to park. I'll see you guys tomorrow. My name is MacLeod, AzarAngel17 on Twitch, Xbox Live, and Steam. Drop in and say hi. Let me know if you enjoy the videos by clicking like, subscribe, or dropping comments, because I do read all the comments. Also, Twitter. Twitter's an excellent place to get a hold of me. You should come say hi there, because I'm on Twitter all the time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day.